Hello, to all my followers, welcome to a new video. Today I will show you how I troubleshoot a Skoda Octavia MK2 and fix the error, P0238-000568, manifold pressure, boost sensor, G31, signal too high. Boost sensor is a variable resistor. The ECU must supply a 5-volt reference signal to the boost sensor. When boost pressure is low, the resistance of the sensor is high. As pressure increases, resistance decreases. Zero boost pressure equals about 0.5 volts, maximum boost reads about 4.5 volt. I connected my Autel diagnostic tablet and scanned the car for the error codes. P0238 turbocharger boost sensor, A, circuit high input. The other two errors occurred because the mass airflow sensor was disconnected. To troubleshoot this issue, the suggestions were: check wiring, connectors from to manifold pressure boost sensor, G31. Check manifold pressure, boost sensor, G31. The owner said he had already changed the G31 sensor. And check engine light appeared, after the engine was warmed up to working temperature. I checked the live data and noticed that the actual pressure was much higher than the required pressure value. DTC P0238 is set when the ECU sees a boost pressure voltage greater than 4 volts, at a time when no boost is being commanded. According to the diagram, the wires from the G31 sensor are connected to the ECU through the T14 pins connector, pin 8 and 10. I checked the voltage and I did a continuity test and I had a surprise. I removed the air filter case, for more space, and the sensor plug. The sensor has 4 wires: pin 1, ground, pin 2, NTC resistor, temperature signal, pin 3, 5 volts from ECU, and pin 4, boost pressure signal. The 4 wires connect directly to the ECU. The wires are protected with insulating tape and a plastic tube. The tube nut covers all length of the wires, and, because I had a similar problem, I know that on the way to the ECU, the wires go down to the bottom of the car, where they are exposed to water, and also the insulated bundle touches an antifreeze pipe where it corrodes and the wires break. As I said before, the cables are interconnected to the ECU through a 14-pin plug. I checked the continuity of the wires according to the color of each one. Pin 4, the purple wire, has no continuity to the connector. Pin 3, gray, black, had continuity to the connector. Pin 2, the yellow wire, had continuity to the connector. Pin 1, brown, also had continuity to the connector. I picked up the wires and noticed a green area where the wires touched the antifreeze hose. I removed the tape and surprise, the purple and gray-black wires was broken. And a few more wires were about to break. I checked again for continuity from the sensor connector to where the wires were broken. All the broken wires had continuity. I soldered the wires and isolated them with shrinking tubes. I started the car and I connected my Autel diagnostic tablet. I checked the information delivered by the boost pressure sensor. Now the required pressure in the current one was almost the same. After the owner went to several car services where they changed map sensor and MAF sensor. This was the solution for the problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Also, if you want, you can support my work by pressing the thanks button. Thank you very much. See you next time.